Good morning, traders. It's November, it's FOMC day, and a lot of excitement ahead. Well, futures were red, but then the report came of ADP, and then Treasury and some reports, and market jumped up. So, right now, pre-market, everything looking a little bit bullish. So we'll see what's gonna happen. All about 42.18, 42.18, 88 ES. If we pass, we can go higher, and at the open. But today is FOMC, so it's most important thing is about the interest rate. What's gonna be the decision? Is it gonna be pause? Is there gonna be a increase? And how much is gonna be increased? Is it gonna be 0.25? Is it gonna be zero point 0.5 or higher? And is it gonna be the last one? It's all about mostly what Powell is gonna say. His tone, the way he talks, the word he chooses, it's all about that. So if he comes, if even if he increase and he comes and says, okay, there's gonna be a pause or we're gonna wait, blah blah blah, and then there is a high chance small caps gonna be jumping up a lot. So but if he comes and says, something negative, and then he says, there's no rate. I mean, obviously, he's gonna say no, rate cut is gonna be farther away. No rate cut. He's gonna always say that. And for now, and then it's all about what he says. So we'll see. If he says pause, and then market can go for a rip up. ES, keep an eye on the TTM squeeze. If market jumps up big today, and we get a yellow bar there, then it can be a big signal on the bottom, major bottoming, and signal for a crazy run up ahead. So if you see on the daily MACD and the indexes on the ES and the NQ, QQQ, SPY, you see yellow bar, that means market is ready to run up. And if daily MACD golden crosses next few days or today, you never know, market can go crazy. But at the same time, keep in mind it's FOMC day. FOMC, a lot of times there is a volatile moves, there is a lot of yo-yo. So when interest rate comes, maybe market jumps, then maybe market dives. If it goes down too big before Powell, then maybe Powell comes and reverse it up. Maybe during Powell goes down. So if it goes too big down and has chance to reverse up, it can be a great buy opportunity, grabbing calls cheap. But at the same time, if Powell comes with a negative tone and we break like 41, 47 on the on the SPX, then it's not gonna be good at all. So anyway, SPX 4200, that's what you want to watch. 4200, if you pass, we can run up to 4266. If 4266 passes, man, market is ready for fly up. And again, 4147, that's a key level to watch on the SPX. If you go below that, back to dive down. Anyhow, ES pre-market right now, 5 is up, 1530 is upward. 1 hour, if golden cross, we cannot go up. And 4 hour, we are still very bullish on the 4 hour until we don't have a dark blue bar. It's still chance to go higher, but again, all up to FOMC. It's still bearish on the daily and weekly. NQ, same thing, 5 still up, but we got dark blue bar. 1530 is upward. 1 hour is not golden cross yet. 4 hour, very bullish. And again, there is a chance market goes for fly up. 14655 on the NQ, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, we can go for a monster run up. Again, if you see yellow bar on the TTM squeeze on the daily, market is ready for a multi-day run up. Dow Jones, we don't have yellow bar there yet on the daily. RUT, no yellow bar yet. But if you see here, the MACD is curving up. So once the MACD golden crosses, can get really interesting on the small caps. TNX, just a yo-yo between 47 and 49. If it does pass 50 today, not gonna be good for market. If it goes below 47.77, that's gonna be really interesting for market. DXY, I was very interesting yesterday. DXY was flying up non-stop from the open, but market wasn't diving down. It was just holding up, chopping. It wanted to go up. So at the end of the day, midday start going higher. So that's very interesting. DXY is opening higher, 107.348. That's a high of the season. If we do pass that one, it's not going to be good for market. 4 hour looking very bullish. Daily MACD is curved up. So keep an eye on DXY. But again, FOMC, if it comes to FOMC, it's all about that. It can dive it down or it can break it up. So all about FOMC. Weeks opening below 1812. That's really good actually. So 1726. That's a key level you want to watch today. If it does break that one, we're looking at 1639, 1586. Daily MACD is that cross downward, 4 hour downward, and weekly we got a dark blue bar. So it's all about 1726. Past that one, market is squeeze up. But again, if it goes back above 1812, can go ahead for recovery up. If you see a 4 hour TTM squeeze yellow bar today, that's not going to be a good sign. It's going to be a bearish sign. BTC running up, making a new high, 35,305. Keep an eye on the 4 hour TTM squeeze. Once the 4 hour, because daily and weekly is very bullish, once the 4 hour MACD golden crosses, then this one can go for another leg up. Um, to Apple next. If there's any symbol interested, as always, let me know in the comments. 171.47, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, we can go higher level 173.54, and that's the next major. If it can hold 169.85, lower levels of 168, 167, 166. I'm putting again two scenarios, up or down. Because as FOMC, anything is possible. Pre-market right now, 5, 15, 30 is upward, 30 is about to golden cross. So 171.47, if before FOMC breaks, can run up to 173.54 level. But again, is FOMC, you never know what's going to happen afterward. Amazon acting very strong, earning was good, continue going higher. Daily MACD is golden cross. Weekly is still red bar, but keep an eye on daily. 4 hour, we got dark blue bars, so showing some slowness there. But if it does break pre-market high, 133.88, we're looking at 133, 134.77, 136.19. If FOMC doesn't come good, 132.46, that's a major level to watch. If prices that one can go to the lower levels, 131, 129, 128. Nvidia, it went down after the AMD earning, but then it recovered. It recovered already most of it. So yesterday news, it made a quick dump and then recovered back up. That shows how much people love Nvidia. That shows how much market loves Nvidia. I don't like at all that Nvidia got a red bar. That's really bad news for Nvidia because it shows that the weakness is there, and then there is a possibility that in the future, maybe next few weeks, again these kind of things happen. But right now is toward up. Right now 30 15 30 1 hour 4 hour is upward, again up to FOMC 410.66. That's the key level you want to watch. 408.71, 410.66. If it passes that one, 412, 414, 417.17. If FOMC comes crazy, 422.97 even can come. But again, in the long term, next few weeks, gotta be very cautious on Nvidia. Nvidia daily weekly is still very bearish, and I hate seeing this red bar. Once you see that, that means another catastrophe dump may come there sooner or later. Um, AVGO, the deal got delayed. They didn't close it today. They were supposed to close it yesterday, and it seems like the next date is November 26th, as far as I saw in the news. So this one is just going up and down, but holding up. It's not dumping, it's not flying. So premium killing is happening there. Baba was a nice jump up yesterday into the close because of news that she's gonna maybe meet Biden. But right now in the China Hong Kong, they didn't like it too much. It didn't jump there. So it's holding up right now. It's around 82 for now. Need to 4 hours still don't have a yellow bar there. Need to pass 82, 81.98 to run up to 82.71, 83.43 there. Pre-market right now 55, 15.30 is upward. 1 hour's golden cross, so it's all about 81.98. Netflix 4 hour got a golden cross yesterday and jumped up, but and then right now is all about 413.53. 415, 415, 413.53 passes. We're looking at 415.81. Above that, 419, 423.21. No clear signal pre-market, so I have to see the actions. I like that we got a yellow bar on the weekly, so that's a very good news. Once the weekly MACD golden crosses, it can get really even more interesting. Meta. Meta yesterday was interesting too. It when markets start jumping up, Meta didn't join, and that was not good. 4 hour we got a dark blue bar, so showing some weaknesses. um, right now we're still bearish on daily. Weekly is coming down, so this one is not a good sign for, again, for in general for meta. Need to pay attention to the levels. So if it passes 303, we're looking at 305, 310, 21 next major level. If FOMC doesn't come good and goes below 300, we're looking at 295, 292, 65 next major level. Tesla gap up open. Tesla was crazy. Yesterday, so pre-market start jumping up, and during the day, at the beginning, did some yo-yo action, then it continued going higher, but it had a weak close. It didn't have like a strong close like other names, and right now gapping up. 1 hour TTM squeeze looking very bullish, and 4 hour golden cross yesterday, and it jumped up. So right now it's toward up, but daily and weekly is still bearish. So today, if as long as it holds 203, it's gonna be good. 203.76. If it continues going higher, 205.52, 207.75 is the next major level. 207 is like a magnet level, and most likely there's a high chance to hit today. If it goes above that, then it's gonna get really interesting. 210, 214, 219, 26 is the next major level. But again, FOMC, if you see 1530 MACD dead cross on any name, lower it goes. 203, if it can hold it, back to 199 and 197.31. Microsoft, I love it that it starts showing yellow bar on the weekly. That's really positive sign, and it does have chance. Shows a lot of strength. The new product of their AI is out, so it's all about 340 mental level. 341.09 my level passes, we're looking at 344, 348.34. If FOMC is good, it can go all the way to 348.34. Looking very bullish pre-market. 5:15:30 is upward. 1 hour is about to golden cross, so this one does have a chance. If FOMC comes good, this one does have a chance for going crazy or higher. But keep in mind, Apple earning is in tomorrow, so that one has even more influence on it. So if Apple is good, can go even more crazy higher. But Apple is not good, can drag it down. Um, I really liked Microsoft right now. Anyhow, Google. Google back to 124.28 level. Still bearish on daily, weekly downward, but market is green and upward for now. 1530 is still up. 124.28. That's a key level, major level need to pass. Pre-market high 124.48. If it passes that one, we can run up today to 125.55. If it goes even crazier, 127.16 can come. But again, keep in mind, Google is in the category of weak names. So if FOMC doesn't come good or market start weakening, this one is going to be one of the first to pull back. AMD earning was good, and they guided down. It went down, but then the conference call was good, then it jumped up. So need to pay attention to the levels. 100.07, that's a key level to watch. Right now is hovering around 98.49, so need to pass like 99, 99.01. If it passes that one, we can go to 100.07, 101.66. If it passes that one, next major is 103, 105, 108.18. If it goes below 97.51 for whatever reason, after at open or FOMC reason, it can go to the lower levels, retest lower levels. Boeing is very strong. Yesterday I even tweeted, posted about it. So this one start giving yellow bar on the daily 2 days ago, and 4 hour looking very bullish upward, and it was just very strong yesterday. So today is all about 190.7. Keep an eye on Boeing. Boeing is possible to go to 100. 190.7, if it passes, we're looking at 192, 194, 196.91. Above that, next major is 203.11. SPY, 418.92 for opening. That's a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 420.78, easy to come. And if FOMC good, minimum 423.77 can come. If FOMC comes crazy good, then 424, 426, 428. And 450.93, that's the level you want to watch for before FOMC. If it goes below that, we can go to the next major level, which is 413, 411, and 410.35. 410.35 is a key level you want to watch for FOMC. If it goes below that, market is going to go for another down run again. But until it holds 410, it's gonna be still good to play calls. Yeah, so pre-market right now 5:15:30 is upward. 1 hour is about to golden cross. 4 hour looking very bullish, and I like that the statistic fast on the ES and all these indexes are curving up on daily. especially on weekly, is golden cross. So short term bounce up, we'll see if it's gonna be a valid one. Once it gives a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze, then it's gonna be a valid bounce up. QQQ 351.3 is hovering around it for now. Next major level it continue jumping up is 353.3, 355.3. Pre-market right now 5:15:30 is upward, 1 hour is about to golden cross, and 4 hour looking bullish. I like it that the statistic fast on the daily and weekly is golden cross upward. So if FOMC comes crazy, 356, 358, 359.97. Again, before FOMC, the key level you want to watch 350.06. If it goes below that, then it means people want to get out before FOMC and lock profit or risk off the table. But if it goes below 345.94 level after FOMC or after Powell, that's not gonna be good, and we are back to roll down. As long as the whole 345 is gonna be good. What else? You got IWM. If it jumps up crazy, 360, 166.93 is the next major level. Gold. Gold, I hated that I was seeing a dark blue bar. So that, I mean, dark blue bar seeing that means it's slow down, cool down. And yesterday showed a lot of weakness. So it seems like market is getting a little bit over this gold and um, oil. But oil this morning jumped up. So that's something interesting to keep an eye on. It's recovering all the losses from yesterday. So that's really interesting. What else you got here? Save just continue going lower. If it passes 1117, we're looking at 9.5, 784, 681. This is very, very bearish. Just look at the 4 hour daily and weekly. It's like a cliff fall there. What else you got here? mRNA went down a lot last few weeks, last 2 3 weeks. So right now it's doing some recovery. 76 if it passes, we're looking at 77.31, 79.43. It's possible to go back to 80 unless big news comes, even can go higher. It's not a name that you want to play long. I mean, play crazy about it. I mean, I like that they got a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze, but it's just doing a dead cat pounce up. But in general, it's very bearish on weekly, and this name can in the future go even farther down. What else you got here? PayPal, Roku earning coming. Roku was showing a lot of strength yesterday too. 60.05 passes. We're looking at 61.36, 62.67 pre-earning run up. Earning is after close today. PayPal has an earning coming up after close too, so keep an eye on that one. The Etsy earning has two. FSLR jump up 150. 45. If it passes that one, we're looking at go run up to 156, 164.22. Bitcoin looking very strong pre-market. 431 MSTR. If it passes that one, we're looking at 442, 453.84. Payc, what a horrible download. It's just crazy. And yeah, 141.3. That's most likely will come today. Yep, that's pretty much it. And as always, if you like, you can join us in option service. And if you want to be on chartwiser.com for levels. And have a lovely day. Market looking very bullish, jumping up again right now. So there is most likely a run up into FOMC. And then we'll see what what's the rate decision and what Powell says. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for tuning in.